Free Physics MP3 from cg4u.net for students. Source: Wikipedia. Galaxy. A galaxy is a massive, gravitationally bound system consisting of stars, stellar remnants, an interstellar medium of gas and dust, and an important but poorly understood component called dark matter. 1. The word galaxy is derived from the Greek galaxias, literally Milky, a reference to the Milky Way. Examples of galaxies range from dwarfs with as few as 10,107 stars to giants with 100,001,014 stars, 4 each orbiting their galaxy's own center of mass. Galaxies contain varying numbers of star systems, star clusters and types of interstellar clouds. In between these objects is a sparse interstellar medium of gas, dust, and cosmic rays. Dark matter appears to account for around 90% of the mass of most galaxies. Citation needed. Observational data suggests that supermassive black holes may exist at the center of many, if not all, galaxies. They are thought to be the primary driver of active galactic nuclei found at the core of some galaxies. The Milky Way galaxy appears to harbor at least one such object. 5 galaxies have been historically categorized according to their apparent shape, usually referred to as their visual morphology. A common form is the elliptical galaxy, 6 which has an ellipse-shaped light profile. Spiral galaxies are disc-shaped with dusty, curving arms. Those with irregular or unusual shapes are known as irregular galaxies, and typically originate from disruption by the gravitational pull of neighboring galaxies. Such interactions between nearby galaxies, which may ultimately result in a merging, sometimes induce significantly increased incidence of star formation leading to starburst galaxies. Smaller galaxies lacking a coherent structure are referred to as irregular galaxies. 7. There are probably more than 170 billion 1.7 times 1011 galaxies in the observable universe. 8. Most are 1,000 to 100,000 parsecs in diameter, and usually separated by distances on the order of millions of parsecs or megaparsecs. Intergalactic space. The space between galaxies is filled with a tenuous gas of an average density less than 1 atom per cubic meter. The majority of galaxies are organized into a hierarchy of associations known as groups and clusters, which, in turn usually form larger superclusters. At the largest scale, these associations are generally arranged into sheets and filaments, which are surrounded by immense voids. 9. In astronomy and cosmology, dark matter is a type of matter hypothesized to account for a large part of the total mass in the universe. Dark matter cannot be seen directly with telescopes. Evidently it neither emits, nor absorbs light or other electromagnetic radiation at any significant level. 1. Instead, its existence and properties are inferred from its gravitational effects on visible matter, radiation, and the large-scale structure of the universe. Dark matter is estimated to constitute 84% of the matter in the universe and 23% of the mass energy. 2. Dark matter came to the attention of astrophysicists due to discrepancies between the mass of large astronomical objects determined from their gravitational effects, and the mass calculated from the luminous matter they contain, such as stars, gas and dust. It was first postulated by January in 1932, to account for the orbital velocities of stars in the Milky Way, and Fritz Zwicky in 1933. To account for evidence of missing mass in the orbital velocities of galaxies and clusters. Subsequently, other observations have indicated the presence of dark matter in the universe, including the rotational speeds of galaxies, gravitational lensing of background objects by galaxy clusters such as the Bullet cluster, and the temperature distribution of hot gas in galaxies and clusters of galaxies. According to consensus among cosmologists, dark matter is composed primarily of a new, not yet characterized, type of subatomic particle. 3. For the search for this particle, by a variety of means, is one of the major efforts in particle physics today. 5. Although the existence of dark matter is generally accepted by the mainstream scientific community, several alternative theories have been proposed to try to explain the anomalies, for which dark matter is intended to account.